A lot of organizations seem to struggle with the perceived conflict between safety and operations, that the things that drive reliability and maintenance are somehow in conflict with the things that improve safety. And yet, there's actually a lot of evidence to the contrary, that where organizations really understand the intersection of those disciplines around safety and reliability and maintenance and move out of silos to a kind of cohesive way of thinking and acting, they get better outcomes across the board. And there's quite a lot in the academic literature about this. So it was something I was sort of fairly passionate about intellectually. And then I saw this opportunity to, in coming into Seam Group, actually put that into action. And, we're on a journey here. It's an evolution from being a sort of narrowly defined services company to really offering turnkey solutions for clients that integrate those disciplines and optimize those disciplines. And so that's really valuable as well. And that's, the fun thing for me is we've just gotten started and there's so much more we've yet to do.